Erasi akanyape okarulo elukumite diope akwata kanyangon akaisa kanyaunike diope nesi enomere arasa sit na sodit ajore naka enare kanu ITG apoganke Dr. Apollo Milton Obote na iyaret ingare nikite General Yoweri Kagota Museveni kwangin kangol ekaru Ajore nesi inuminumi aparetina kosoroti asobananu kesi ajaikina alaro na boliaso.
Incidentally, from 1986 to date, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, after conquering the troublesome government of Obote, has dreamt many dreams that have caused tremendous change to the people of Uganda and Africa as a continent. Socio-economic transformation agenda all started with the question of Entandikwa. Today we are talking about the mistakes that were committed in the previous socio-economic transformation sector programs or initiatives not to be committed in the two programs of Emioga and the parish development model. You are going and moving, driving, walking, running, or crawling on roads that have been built under the regime of His Excellency the President. Tarmac everywhere. And you are saying he has done nothing. Sorry.
Kotoma asuban kanu ajay akorar awakot ay nuak adeka sinenu agelegela ay wadikao kanu adumun national IDs nepepeka apapula inu aurio.
People have got the IDs, you know, many of them they will stand to come. But they have picked the IDs, others are registered. And even the registration is ongoing. I want to thank you for the efforts and the unity you brought to help us to serve our people. Thank you so much. There are very many IDs there. People registered right from 2014. Many have not picked the IDs. Most of old people. Some of them died. The IDs are here. But we need to clean up the register.
Those who have been to hospital, you know what's happening in our hospital. When they're in need of blood, and for what you did today, a number of lives are going to be saved. We collected 94 units, and we are very, very much humbled for your participation. And I believe our partnership will always go on. To Etop Radio, you've always been with us.
Stella Akia, ngesi Arucho Kinton, radio, ka television keda itunga.
There are quite a number of media houses here, but you honored us by saying, let's move with Etop and TV East. We're so much happy about it. We've been talking about the blood donation. We've been talking about the health camp and also these games.
Once again, let me take this opportunity of thanking you all for taking part in this exercise from the day we started to its culmination today.
There's no difference between us and you. That's why we implore you that you make our work easy.
Itungalo ajaikina asubananu kesi apoto ishalamikisi Ajore Etop Radio TV East kano aitobosikin aparate.
Kesi pola kuka yalama anuna reko bekani imorki kiti so kere civilians pepe kera tunga kere peta yalama nara le mamgo inene ikuya kitunga bola jauti kedi serikali ne pepe leado bobojo luoro kea boya pogan pigmino Jengni metare sita bedotie dio yamobe wan kuma mnyai
orena nga kurara hapo ajenga de accident almost la pia naona chapa tatani so ya para na mametora ko adex kere kere so iraisi tungali no sipa kata kaniji ara moroto omijo ekirire ya dex ne penete ya do matlis ya sao kot
akoto inshallah kini ete TV keda yalama na ipol ebe ekotona ibumaina tetera okakopno Uganda lo singaren mami tungamore tekeda Ajore ara anyuno ikerin ogete tunga kerit ponya kwana eraido ai numunumu ne pepe
wapeda inumuno ma Uganda ikaro akaisa ngon kede iuni lo alakuna Ajore Uganda lolo kotomas soroti Ajore nesi ebu imormorun kede etimulo Etop radio Blood Bank soroti nepepeka soroti sit Kanuka TV East Habat Paul Eyoku Koibuga soroti.